Good afternoon, everyone. Wow. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Olufunke, and I thought my picture would be there. It was, yes. That's my story, and that's who I am. 2015, I lost this beautiful girl, and I was always in the hospital with her for more than 6 years, and we kept on going like that, like that. And so when she died, what killed her? Even the neurologists, my friends, they couldn't diagnose what killed her. But it was degenerative, and I saw her passing on each day. A bubbly girl that could ride a bicycle all around town, stopped everything gradually until she became a constant resident in the ICU. And the day she was about to die, I just noticed she turned her back on me. And she said I should, she couldn't talk anymore. And I was just, Temi talk, but what do you want me to do? She said I should just keep singing. So you can relate. When she died, I didn't have any life. Though she had other siblings, I had a 6-month-old then when she died. But I had no life. My hospital life was taken away from me, and I was left with nothing to do. I was always busy with the NG tubes, busy with the doctors, with the teams, and I was happy. You will say happy, but I was happy because I was doing something. I was helping a girl live her life. But when she died, you can relate how empty that would be. And I was sent into bereavement counseling, and it was not working. And the psychologist, they will say, Holy, what is it? We've tried all we could. Seems this vacuum has to be filled. And I said, what am I going to do? They said, we can't find it for you. You go out there, maybe online, anywhere, go out and search for what can fill the vacuum. That is the only therapy you need. Wow. I started searching. From a woman that could always be in a PJ all day. And I started searching. And I came across the University of Sanctuary for asylum seekers. It caught my attention, and I applied just 2 days to the closure. And when I applied, they called me like 3 weeks after that. Your story is amazing because you have to write your story. And they said, are you sure you can cope with this? I said yes. And I started counting. I fed because at that time, I couldn't come to terms with the death of my daughter. So I still say is for her, not was. And I will say, and I told Dr. Lorraine that interviewed me that, yes, I will cope. I feed my daughter every 2 hours on the NG tubes. I use the bucodazolam for her seizures, and I know when I have to unplug some of the machines and plug that. And I know that every 30 minutes I have to check our lines and all that. And she said, you really did that? That's the spirit we want in the University of Sanctuary students. I think you may be in, she'll get that. I'll get back to you. And I got into the University of Sanctuary. I won a scholarship, and I'm now in my 3rd year in the university, studying online. Studying online. It gave me the time to grieve and recover. It gave me the time to become a woman that will attend conferences all over the world to tell women it's time to shine your light. Education, online education, has given me the opportunity to have a life, to fill the vacuum, to rise from the dust of grief and shine the light. And that is why I'm here today. And I want to say, it has really transformed my life. I couldn't face the crowd before, but now, even if it's doubled up, I can't face the crowd, and I can share my story anywhere, any day, anytime. Thank you all.